Every day in the USA, people find themselves in court.
Court does call the case of the people versus Thomas Vasher.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Alexander, on behalf of the people seeking permission to practice pursuant to issue for Rule 8.120 under the supervision of Assistant Prosecuting Attorney Morgan Barroso.
Permission to practice is granted.
Bridget Coons on behalf of Mr. Vasher.
All right. Your name, sir?
Thomas Vasher, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right. And what are we doing? Okay.
We were originally going to set this from final settlement conference. It's my understanding, though, that the prosecution plans on increasing this to a felony charge.
And that is correct, Your Honor. We were going to reauthorize this as a felony strangulation. That's in the police report.
Okay. And so when were you intending on doing that?
Your Honor, we were going to do that this afternoon. There was an offer and it was to plead as charged. And then the new case wouldn't be authorized.
Got it. Okay, so you're going to authorize a felony and ultimately dismiss this.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Well, if it's authorized today, I'd like to get him on the PCC docket as soon as possible since he's in custody. I mean, he might remain in custody, but you want to get that one moving as quickly as possible.
Assistant Prosecuting Attorney Morgan Barroso on behalf of the people. I do just want to note that he does have multiple circuit court matters on all of which his bond is denied, and those aren't set until April 4th. So he's going to be in
Regardless. Okay, got it.
Until
That's not to say that we're going to delay in
No, I understand.
You to know.
I understand. All right, when's my next date on this docket?
April 1st at 1 p.m.
So I'll adjourn this matter then to April 1st, 2024 at 1 p.m. And then hopefully, what's today, the 18th, if that gets authorized, he actually may see me before then on the PCC docket.
can I get a chance to speak? Your Honor?
If you'd like.
If at all possible, can I get a low bond in case I can make bond?
Well,
I'm going through a situation where if you can't see, I'm terminally ill, so I don't know how much longer I have. I got life that I'm trying to spend a little bit of time with my son. This case here, not worried about it, nor am I worried about none of my cases because no one's coming. There's no wrong been done.
hold on,
That's
hold
fine.
on. I don't want you to say anything about the case.
I'm not.
Okay.
Uh,
Here's what I'll do. How many other, but
all of them.
those other cases, he wouldn't get out in any respect because bond's denied. They're not going to hear it till the 4th, which would likely be the earliest time at which they do it. So what I'm going to do in this case is I'm going to leave your bond where it is in this case. Let the felony authorization take place, see what happens on the 4th, and then see what we can do regarding that.
I actually go for what is it where you go and ask for a bond reduction again on the 21st when I go see for my other case
On the 21st,
on the 21st. I have
hold on a second.
Your Honor, he has an malicious destruction of police property, a controlled substance, an R&O, another controlled substance, and another malicious destruction of police property, all of which bond are denied, all of which are set for the 4th. But there's also a hold out of Van Buren.
The bonds
which
were
it
not
looks
denied.
Like the bond is denied as well.
the bonds were not denied in none of the R&Os.
So you don't see anything set for the
No.
21st?
The only date that is not the 4th, there is one in 14B that's a contempt of court court set for the 21st.
Okay,
But that's 14B.
B's case, got it. So,
Everything else is circuit court.
all right,
But on the whole, I should be here until the 14th because that's when I'm scheduled for the reentry into the program. But if at all possible,
the 14th of what?
the next month, but my sister's trying to make it to where she can pay the 30,000 on my bond to get me home, and they've already went in
Okay, if they
and
paid the
talked- they're the
30,000
ones who set up the
Right,
hearing for me on the 21st. So.
all right, but if they pay the 30,000 on this case, you're still held on, and even if you resolve and somehow get out or have a bond on the 14B matter, you still have the bonds denied, which aren't going to be addressed until the 4th of April.
Okay.
So given what's happening in this case, given all of that, I'm going to continue this bond as is. So the bond will continue in this matter. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ed. Have a
You too. So court stands in recess. Right?